A gentle-hearted deer walks alone through the deep green forest. Suddenly, a little baby bird falls from its nest high above the trees. The deer stops and looks, surprised to see the tiny bird on the ground. It gently approaches and lies beside the chick, holding it close like a mother. The deer brings small fruits and feeds the baby bird. Its tiny beak pecks gently. It takes the chick to a stream. Together they play in the cool water. The deer teaches it to flap its wings, encouraging the little one to fly. Meanwhile, the mother bird flies across the sky, crying and calling for her baby. She perches high on a tree branch, eyes full of tears, heart full of worry. Back on the ground, the deer and the chick are playing happily, an unlikely but sweet bond. While flying, the mother bird suddenly sees her baby playing with the deer below. She lands, rushes to her baby, wraps her wings around it. Tears and love fill the moment. The deer watches quietly, heart heavy, eyes filled with tears. It's time to say goodbye. The mother and baby bird take flight, while the deer stands still, quietly crying.